Okay, so what we're going to talk about now is the CRM. So go down to your marketing, and here you'll see send email and CRM. We'll cover those both. So let's first go to send email. And right here, it's pretty straightforward. You can make your subject line, put your message in, and then right here, you can all contacts, select contacts, or you can enter somebody's address manually. You can attach a file, and then you'll send your email. And then right below here will be your email history. So, like I said, it's pretty straightforward. Next is the CRM. And in here, this is where all your leads are captured. So it'll come from your forms, which we'll cover in the next video. But so anybody that signs up will automatically be in your CRM, and they'll also be added to your automation sequence, which is down here, and we'll cover that in a separate video. So right now, our only focus is just covering the basics of the CRM. So right here, you'll see your total contacts. You'll see the tags. So each form tags based on the funnel or website that was created. So and you can change the tagging with each user, and you can also change the tagging within the forms. Now, some forms will ask for a phone number, so it'll store phone numbers here. And some of the forms will allow messages, and those will appear here. And then you'll be able to see it right here if you click on the icon here. And right here is actually my form answers from a quiz funnel. So it collects all that information. Now you can segment your list right here by clicking the filter. And another view, you can actually look at the Kanban, and you can move these your leads. For example, if they came in and they entered your form, then they're a lead. And then if you contact them, for example, if you have your calendar set up where you're doing uh, a phone like interview, or a paid phone consultation, then you'll move them from lead, qualified, so on and so forth. That way you can keep track, and also you can create follow-up sequences in the email campaigns. So it all works together. Let's go back to the list view. So we can sync Course Creative. If you have Course Creative contacts, you can sync your Course Creative contacts. Unfortunately, with my new user, I don't have any Course Creative contacts in my courses at the moment. And you can also export out your contacts. So you can click this button here, and you can export to Excel, Google Sheets, or to a text file. And obviously, to add a contact, you can add a single contact, or you can import your contacts, and you'll get, if you click on that button, and you'll see right here, it says download CSV template. You can download that, put your contacts in per the template, and then you can come back and import your template right here, and it'll load all your contacts in here. So that is pretty much the CRM is connected to every piece of Creative Builder. So and that is connected to all of your forms, obviously. So that is the overview of the CRM system. Like I said, it's not complicated as far as the CRM system is using it. But you'll be able to see here in the next videos, like, for example, the forms and the automations, where you'll see how expansive the CRM tool actually is. So I will see you guys in the next video.